In this video, I'll help you unlock the math skill perimeter of composite shapes. My secret is showing you two keys that break down the critical information on this skill. We're exploring the length workshop, where every measuring instrument unlocks a new math skill. We've already covered these foundational lessons, and now we're tackling perimeter of composite shapes. In this section, you will learn what is a composite shape and where this skill is used in the real world. Last lesson, we found the perimeter of simple shapes, like rectangles and triangles. But what happens when the shape doesn't fit those neat categories? What if it is made up of more than one shape? This is where students get stuck. They see an unfamiliar figure and think, I've never seen this before, and panic. But the truth is, every composite shape is just a combination of familiar shapes stuck together. You'll see this everywhere in real life. One example is a floor plan of a house. From a bird's eye view, you can see how the rooms connect to form a larger composite shape, a mix of rectangles and sometimes even triangles. Looking at this example, what two shapes does this shape consist of? Yep, two rectangles. Let's now learn how to find the exact perimeter of this shape in the next key. In this section, you will learn how to find the perimeter of a composite shape. If we're asked to find the perimeter of these two rooms combined, that means we need to add up all the lengths around the outside of the shape. But straight away, we notice there are two missing side lengths. So our first step is to find those missing sides before adding everything up. To do that, we'll use both the information we're given and what we know about properties of rectangles. Let's start with this missing side. Notice how this 4 meter side matches up perfectly with this section here, because opposite sides of rectangles are equal. In the same way, this 7 meter side is the same as this other section again, opposite sides are equal. So if we add 4 plus 7, we'll get the full length, 11 meters for the missing side length. Now let's find the other missing length. We can see that this unknown side, together with the 5 meter side, makes up the entire length of 11 meters. In other words, 5 plus what equals 11. To find the missing length, we subtract 11 minus 5. This equals 6 meters. Now that we have all the side lengths, our final step is simple. Add up every length around the outside to find the total perimeter of the composite shape. Make sure you don't miss any sides, giving a perimeter of 44 meters. You now know all the key information on this concept. However, can you solve all exam style questions? Watch this next video to master questions easily.